I've had a very interesting journey with Ayurveda. My family is from India. I literally was practicing Ayurveda my entire life. They instilled that in me. So I incorporate Ayurvedic wellness into my cuisine every single day. I am actually Vata Dosha. My attributes are very creative. I'm dry, I'm cold, sometimes my mind is a little scattered. Gajar sabji is a wonderful recipe for the Vata Dosha. It will warm you up, it'll stimulate your digestion, and it'll calm your senses. I love using root vegetables in this sabji. In order for you to stay grounded, you literally need to use vegetables that are grounded. We're also using cashew butter. There's a natural oil that comes from that cashew that really balances your Vata Dosha. In between chopping and stirring, I'm able to practice prana to reset my intentions and breathe. Finally, we're also using quinoa. We're actually infusing a little bit of toasted cumin as well as toasted ginger. That is a perfect base to your sabji. There are a lot of things that give me satisfaction, not only to cook, but to share my food with others. If I love my food and I love what I'm giving to them, I'm giving them my love. That is Ayurvedic cuisine at its finest.